Alright, so this is the official finished product of this. I feel like this strap could be a little tighter, this could be a little bit tighter, but I like it. This little waistband adds like the perfect finish, definitely. It doesn't poke out, you know, it doesn't make me look like I'm Winnie the Pooh with the poked out shirt. It's like very flattering. You know, like I said, it could be tighter a little bit, but we're fine. So, I'm happy with it. I love it. I could keep working on it all day, but I want to do other things. So, all of this was really just a trial and error, and I love this shirt. I think I might actually wear the shirt instead of this one, and I think I want to take off the sleeves of this one and redo the sleeves, because the sleeves, they have that bunched up ruffled thing, and it keeps bunching up on my shoulders, and it's really making me mad. Also, these sleeves, it's like they're designed for you to keep your arms like this. Like, when you lay it out, like, look, the arms don't even go out. The arms are like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like, see? Or maybe it's just the back. I took the back in too much. But I just think I need to just rip the seams out and redo this shirt. Now that I'm getting a little bit better at sewing, it's just driving me nuts because the armholes are just way too big or something. So I would like to dissect this and do that another day. But today we're going to do the bodysuit. So the bodysuit is the same material as this top, but we're just going to add a little bit more. I said I'm doing the bodysuit because I didn't want the tank top to ride up, but now since I've added this band, I'm like, well, now I know this won't ride up, but it's whatever. We're going to go and get on with the rest of the video. I hope you enjoy it. We're going to make a bodysuit, and yeah. Alright, now I feel like we're cooking with grease, and my phone's dying, and hopefully this reel gets put up. Let me go get my phone charger. Goodness, I don't know what's going on today, but like I just dropped my phone charger on my big toe. I don't know why it hurts so much, but it hurts so much. It hurts a lot. Ugh. Goodness. Alright. Anyways, I'm going to tighten up the sides of this because I feel it needs it. I'm a little scared about the crotch region, but I'm going to tighten up the sides and see if that helps anything. And to be honest, I'm just going to wing it because the fabric's so stretchy that I think it's fine. actually need to put buttons on this, but I'm not sure. Or you know what? I do have a button thing. Okay, let's take the seams out and we can add buttons now. And I do have a buttonhole thing on the machine. What the heck? Alright, so I'm not going to show what the crotch region looks like because the crotch region's a little crotchy, if you know what I mean. So, I like how I did it. I did a little bit of an indent, so it did shape my body up really well. I like the armholes, they're not too big, everything's fitting right. I'm glad I did the tank top before I did this. I feel that up here could possibly be a little tighter, but I think it's good for now. If anything, I think I need to tighten this up here, and we're good. So, I am excited. I'm excited. Let me go put some, I want to put, or now we'll just wait for the ending. I get so excited, I just like want to go ahead and wear it, or like style it and stuff, but it's fine. I also like how it is shaping my body. This is what's making me excited about making a little bit of like shapewear. I know shapewear has a lot of plastic and stuff inside them, but I also feel like if you get the right material, it's like the perfect shapewear. So, I don't know. But I'm feeling good about this. This is awesome. I love it. I like it. I love it. I feel like it really helps with my back insecurities, I guess you could say. But makes the boobs look good, that's for sure. I also like how when I wear these pants, I feel like I have the double hip thing going on. But with having something on that does shape up with this, it like really like helps with that area. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's not that we need to lose weight. Sometimes it's we just need a little support in some areas. You know what I mean? So, let's do the trim. I have trim cut up like right here, but I think I need to make it bigger because there's no way that this is gonna, well, I don't know. That might go around my arm. Okay, so like maybe this will go around the arm just a little bit. So, who knows? Who knows? I just feel like I need something longer for the neck because all of this fits perfect around my arms. So, we're going to finish it off and see how it looks after. And sorry if I like cut my face off. I don't mean to do it. I'm just trying to show off everything else. Well, this is almost faster than the last time I did it. Now, this part is a little off-centered. I wanted this to go right here and make like a V-neck or more of a V-neck, But obviously I still need to train on that. But here's this. I like it. Let me go get, hold on. I also feel like it would be really cute with this. So, nice tank top with, did I rip this? No. Nice tank top. This. Am I camel toeing? No. Ooh. So, there we go. Nice tank top. I feel like this is like nice and warm. Like I could wear this for this outfit. And if you're new here, these are shorts customized by me. This flannel I did not make, so, but everything else I had a little touch to it. So I like it. And I would show y'all the how it fits down here. Just know it fits really well. So I like it. I feel like, you know, you can still see some ripple of my back. You know, I still, you know, would like to lose some weight. I feel like I need more off the shoulders, but it's whatever. Now I feel like I'm just done or you know what, I could do more. Anyways, we're good. We're good. It's all good. It fits well. I just need to work on more armholes, but once I figure out the armholes and how like binding and stuff works, I think we'll be good. But that is it. That's the only thing, is to, you know, take some of this off. Alrighty, so I am happy with it, and it was super easy. Now I feel like I need to start doing t-shirts, but I do want to make one more like tank top and do like a sports like spandexy top. So that's what we'll be doing in the next video. I feel like I said I would be doing something else in another video. I have a lot of things. There's a lot of fabric over here that I need to do. Really need to make some scrunchies, especially for the summer. But yeah, I'm happy. Alright. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hopefully it wasn't too short or anything like that. I feel like I got this done so quick, but you know, practice makes perfect. The more you do stuff, the easier it gets. And yeah, I'm proud of it, and I'm proud of myself. I'm proud that I can make my own stuff and feel good in it. So I hope y'all have a nice day. I wouldn't say a tutorial. I always call these tutorials, but it's more of like just sew with me type of thing, and learn from my mistakes, or learn just something new with me. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.